The F-15EX fighter jets that are on offer under 114 MRFA program have completed first operational testing of the latest Eagle passive active warning survivability system that can monitor and jam enemy air defense systems and can also deceive enemy electronic warfare units. The Indian Army will procure 550 Indigenous ASMI 9x19mm SMGs for Special Forces from Lokesh Machine Limited at a total cost of 4.6 crore rupees. The Indian Army will procure 550 Taurus T9 9x19mm SMGs for Special Forces from Jindal Defence at a total cost of 4.24 crore rupees. Cochin Shipyard Limited has signed a Master Shipyard Repair Agreement with the US Navy that makes Cochin Shipyard the third Indian shipyard after Larsen & Toubro and Mazagan Dock shipbuilders to sign this agreement. The Indian Army is all set to issue a request for proposal for the procurement of 155mm 52 caliber towed gun systems. Indian Army's Sharbars Division and Indian Air Force's Chinook helicopters rehearsed Special Heliborne Operation drills during exercise Akraman. The successful deployment of sea drones by Ukraine against Russian warships has prompted a strategic rethink by the Indian Navy, and the Navy will continue to test and deploy new tactics to counter this threat. Hindustan Aeronautics has acquired advanced CNC machines from DMG and Hermes that boast superior precision and will result in better quality aircraft components and shorter production cycles. The Indian Air Force is the second largest operator of C-17 and is closely eyeing US Air Force's Rapid Dragon project, which allows them to drop air-launched cruise missiles against ground-based targets. After completing its maiden flight last month, the first Tejas MK1A aircraft will now head to the Pokhran firing range for a series of weapon trials that is essential due to the significant upgrades incorporated into the MK1A variant, including the ELM-2052 ASA radar by Israel's Zelta systems. The new radar necessitates the revalidation of weapons that rely on radar guidance for the MK1A to achieve operational clearance, as its predecessor Tejas MK1 version was integrated with ELM-2032. These tests will ensure seamless compatibility between the upgraded aircraft and its arsenal, including air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry. The TEDBF program requires 14,000 crore rupees budget to develop a 4.5 generation carrier-borne fighter jet for the Indian Navy, a budget that is comparable to the recently cleared AMCA program. The Indian Air Force has already committed to procure a total of 120 AMCA fighter jets in both Mark 1 and Mark 2 variants, reflecting its confidence in the project's potential. However, Indian Navy has committed for only 45 TEDBF, and this limited order raises concerns about the program's financial viability. The high investment in the TEDBF program, coupled with the Indian Air Force's lack of interest in an Air Force variant, raises questions about the program's overall security implications. Eyeing the tender for 200 new 105mm self-propelled howitzers for the Indian Army, Kalyani Strategic Systems has offered its Garuda 105 V2. Tata Advanced Systems has offered its 105mm mounted gun system mounted on its 4x4 light armored multipurpose vehicle, while Mahindra Defence Systems is developing a 105mm mounted gun system for the tender, and the Army will conduct an extensive evaluation process and comprehensive testing later this year. Today's top 3 comments.